Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day. Hello, everybody. How are you doing? I hope this is loud and clear. Let's check all the sound. Sound looks good from my side. How about your end? Does it look good as well? Hello, who is there? Who is hiding away? Hello, everybody. Who is hiding away? Right, Ifeanyi, you're there. Hello, Ifeanyi number one today. Good. Thank you so much for joining us, Ifeanyi. Excellent. Great stuff. How are you, Ifeanyi? Long time. Long time no see. Shaki, hello. How are you? I see some names here. Shuki is here. Salman Raju. Hello, Salman Raju. And Adebayo, how are you? Good evening. It's your first time. How did you catch it today? How did you manage to get online? We haven't live streamed for a while, actually for a few days now. So it's good that you are on a lookout. Okay, Dolapo, how are you? Hello. Pradots. Yes, good evening. Is this your first time? I see some new names here. Sounds like Dolapo, is that your first time? Salmon Raju, I think you've been here before. Prad Dope, is that your first time? Augustine, you've been here. Fine, you've been here. Elvis, I believe you've been here. Akiyemi, have you been here before? Yes, Akiyemi has been here before. Yes, Shuki, I'm good. Thank you. Yes, I guess as much. Pradbo, that this is your first time. Yeah, Dolapo is your first time. Look, I have a magic box that tells me who is here for the first time. And usually, more than 50% of the time, I'm always correct. Okay, so if you are here, identify yourself. If you are here for the first time, identify yourself. Excellent. Oh, no copyright sounds. Is that California? Oh, Canada. Hello, no copyright sound. Hello. All right, good to see you, Samson. Excellent. Right. So it's your first time, is it? No copyright sound. This must be your first time. Yeah. Excellent. There's a lot of new people here today. So let's introduce ourselves. Okay, my name is Dare. I'm from the United Kingdom. What about you? Where are you from? Where are you from today? It's quite a long time I've done that. So let's do that today. Let's get to know where you are from. Yes, I know where few people are from. Yes, okay, good. Well, no copyright told us already. It's from Canada. Okay, which part of Canada? Is it Ontario? Which part of Canada? Otman, good to see you, Otman. Otman, were you on Telegram today at all? I've not been on Telegram most of the day anyway. Have you been there? Good, because you're doing a nice job over there. Okay, Dolapo from Nigeria, good. Adebayo from Nigeria. Otman, yes. Jamaica. Oh, Shuki from Scotland. Okay, but originally from Bulgaria. Okay. Are you from Glasgow, Edinburgh? Which part? You know? Oh, good stuff. Excellent. Okay, Prabhu from India. Good to see you. Alright, Akiyemi from Nigeria, Ondo. Good. Manish King from India. Nice to see you. Alright, so it's British Columbia in Canada. Alright, that's good. That's good. I'm sure it has nothing to do with the British anymore. It's not independent. Oh, good, 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 good. Yes, I think it was me. I wasn't that very much on Telegram today. I was busy one-to-one sessions. Oh, Mac B from London. Oh, you are my person then. We're not far away from each other. Okay, north, south, east London, west London. Where about? Ebe Ogbo. No, you've been here before. Okay, Inverness. You know, the club that Inverness, is it Caledonia, used to be a friend of mine's club, football club. He supported that club for a long time, but they don't used to win games. They probably relegated by now. Kayode from Nigeria. Augustine, yes, from Benin City, Nigeria. Okay, Susham from India. Okay, India from Poland. Okay, Poland, good. Good to see you. Excellent. We have a lot of different places today. It's quite very, very nice today. And you guys have a short time to join the live session. So very good that you're able to join. Elvis is from Nigeria, but presently in UAE. Okay. I pray and I hope you enjoy your stay there. George, South Africa, in the building. Yes. Okay, so Johannesburg is in the building. Gauteng is in the building. Pretoria is in the building. Mpumalanga is in the building. Soweto is in the building. Everybody is in the building. Welcome, George Chimoyo. Oh, North London. All right. Highbury. Oh, Edmonton, Ivory, Wembley, which part? No, don't worry. All right, Ifine, good to see you, Ifine, excellent. Yes, I'm doing great, thank you. Daddy Long Pips, good to see you. All right, very nice introduction. I hope we all enjoy that. I like when a lot of people come from different places. So we go from India, we go from Americas, we go from Canada, we go from Nigeria, we go from all over the place. South Africa, Poland, even Scotland. Great stuff, right? Hammer time. Now is hammer time. Let's go through this. Okay. Now that we know we have some few new faces here, we're going to slow down a little bit. Okay, Yeriturn from Nigeria. Okay, yes, so you want to know if there are new ways to filter out fake breakouts. Okay, right, yes. There are few ways we can do that, and I am going to show you how. All right. Angela. Hello, Angela. Yes, I know some of you already are members of my team. So if you want to join my team, which is yourtradementor.com, let me know and I will show you how. Robert. Hello, Robert. How you doing? You good? Excellent. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining this morning. It depends on where you are. It could be morning somewhere. It could be evening. For me, it is evening because my time now is 9:38 p.m. So let's get the ball rolling. Let's get to start. All right. So we have been talking about this special strategy, which we call SBS, and we've been going on for a few months. And we know that we have built quite a lot of followership on this strategy. And our aim is to help traders and make sure that they become successful in their trading career. Because there is no reason for learning if you are not going to make improvement. So improvement is what we are all about. And that traders, if you have not been successful before, you should change and learn something new that will take you in the right direction. So that is what we are providing here. Okay, it's 11 o'clock, 11:40 Uganda. Yeah, that's late, man. Don't worry, I won't keep you too long tonight. 20 minutes to midnight. Yeah, good. Shuki showtime. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I said, our aim is to improve traders. So, yes. So, one of the ways we do that is to give you a strategy that spell everything out. Okay, nothing is hidden away from you. We want to show you the way. Okay, so if you become profitable, which many people have become profitable, they will remember and say, yes, I know, I remember where I got that from. So that is all we got from it. Now we have a strategy we call Simple Breakout Strategy. Okay, the Simple Breakout Strategy, as the name suggests, is very simple, and I will explain it in a very short sentences. Okay, what it does is we want to trade the first hour of a trading session. We know we have 3 major trading sessions. We have the Asia, the Europe, and the US. So the first hour of each trading session, we want to put a marker on those first hour. Okay, so each session we put a marker on the first hour. So the one you are looking at now is the Europe session. So we put a marker on that session. Well, the marker we are using now is an indicator that mark that hour for us. So this is a 5-minute time frame, and this old colored area here is just a 1 hour. If you count it from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, okay, that is because of my broker is 2 hours ahead of the UK time. Otherwise, it should be 7 to 8 a.m. All right. So we have an indicator that can do that for us, that will mark that 1 hour box for us. Okay. The indicator is called session. So I will show you quickly how it looks like. Okay. So this is the indicator. It's called sessions. You must have seen this before in different places. So we have different indicators. This is for MT4 platform, MetaTrader 4. There is another one for MetaTrader 5 if you are using MT5. Okay, so this is very simple. You can create 3 sessions from it: Asia, Europe, America. So at the moment we have created just the Europe for now, because as you can see, we have set no color for America, for Asia. We have set no color for America, USA. We've only set a color for Europe. Hence, you are going to see purple on the chart, only purple for now. But before we finish, we will try and set something up for Asia by changing the color. Then you will see it on the chart. Same thing here. By changing the color to something else, you will see in the chart. Take note of the time, because this is important. I've got a lot of questions. We have a lot of people on our group. We have 2 groups. We have the big group and we have the exclusive group. The big group is our Telegram group, where all of us we congregate every morning. That is our area where we gyrate, where we play. So every morning, every day we congregate at Telegram, and some of us do go into another exclusive area where we call it a Discord group. So you are welcome to join any of the 2 groups. Anyone you feel like joining, you are welcome to join it. Telegram is free, you can join it. Exclusive group, then you have to subscribe to our channel, or to our mentorship or our program to be part of the exclusive group. Don't think it's expensive. If you want to know the price, you can ask me later on. All right, so now so you can come into any of the group. The good news is that every day we analyze this indicator, we analyze the trade, we take the trades together, you ask questions, people help you out. So this indicator, now we have said we are going to hide the Asian session, and we are going to hide the USA session, where we are going to show the Europe session for now. Okay, all right, so that is why we are showing just the Europe session for now. So you know how we got there, yeah? So it's not hidden, it's very clear. Okay, Now that you got this box of the Europe session, okay, so what we are looking to do is to capitalize on the momentum in the market. And you know what they always say, that is, the trend is your friend. Always stay on the side of the trend. So if you are in the market and the trend decides to be bearish, you also have to have a bearish indication and follow that direction. If the market decides to be bullish and start going up, then you have to follow them as well. So you don't want to trade against the trend. So remember that this strategy is to trade with the trend. Okay, trade with the trend. That is the name of this strategy. So and how do we do that? How do we trade with the trend? So we have the box, which is already on the screen. So we are going to add 2 lines to the box, one at the top of the box like that. You have to do that yourself. All right, the indicator will do the box for you, but you have to do the lines. So you add one line to the top and the other line to the bottom of the box. Okay, so once you do that, now you are looking for what we call a breakout candle. Okay, you're looking for a breakout candle. A breakout candle happens when the candle is formed outside of the box, outside of this zone. Okay, as you can see, this is the zone here. Between the high and the low lines, any candle that form outside it is called that's where we can find our trigger candle. Okay, but not just for the line to come outside it, the candle to come outside of the line, it must be completely outside of the line. It must be formed outside of the line. So let me zoom back in there. There we go. So you can see, let me make sure that it doesn't scroll back. Okay, so you can see from here, we have this one is trying to come out of the box or out of the line, but it's not completely out. It's still touching it. But the next one is completely outside and it's no longer touching the line. Okay, so this one is completely outside and it's not touching the line. So that is the trigger candle that we are talking about. The trigger candle is a candle that is formed outside of the channel and it's not touching the line. So the first candle that meets those criteria, so that is the candle. Okay, it is formed outside of the channel and it's not touching the line. The one before it is touching the line. That's why it's not the candle we are looking for. It doesn't qualify. This is the candle that qualify. I hope you get that right. Good. So we got the qualified candle, which is this very one. So you put your sell trade at the close of that candle. You put your sell trade at the close of that candle. Okay, let's make this line different. Okay, so at the close of this candle, you put your sell trade, and when you sell at the close of that candle, your stop loss is right on this line, and your take profit one, your target number one, is the size of this box. So remember, when you take a sell trade from here, you put your stop loss over here, and your take profit target one is the size of this box, which stands at 14 pips. Okay, it stands at 14 pips. That's the take profit target number one, 14 pips. But we have multiple take profit targets. So take profit target 2 will be 14 pips multiplied by 2, which will give you 28. Take profit number 3 is 14 pips multiplied by 3, which will give you 42, and so on and so forth. So TP4 is 14 pips multiplied by 4, which will give you how much is that? 64, and on and on and on like that. So for the rule of thumb, set minimum of 3 take profit targets. Okay, you can definitely you are to set TP1, make sure you set TP2 and TP3 as well, at least at the minimum. Okay, but you can go ahead and set up to 5 TP levels. Okay, so now we went short here. Remember, we said this is our stop loss. What happened there, ladies and gentlemen? Don't we get stopped out? Yeah. So you went short here. What happened? You got stopped out here, right? You got stopped out right there. Okay, you got stopped out right here. So that's why sometimes when you start and you hit a stop loss, it's not the end of life. All right, so you got stopped out, and then you get another opportunity here to go long again. This is another candle here. This candle is also a trigger candle. Okay, so that means your next trade will be at the close of that candle. Let me make it bigger. Okay, I'll make it bigger. So at the close of this candle, because this candle also is a breakout candle. Now you are looking for our 12 pips or 14 pips. Yeah, 14 pips as your target. From here to there, you get 17 pips. So here you meet your TP1. Okay, let's see what happened again. So you got your TP1 there. Price came down, and here it hits here again. See, this is another trade. You come down here at the close of that third candle. Let me zoom out a little bit for you. Okay, at the close of this third candle, you go short again, and you are still looking for 15 pips. Now this is 20 pips. So you make another TP there, and also another opportunity back on again here. This is the fourth trade. This is another buy here. Okay, either, in fact, you can do this one here. It's another trade. This is a trade here. You buy here. The price went, but it didn't touch your stop loss and rise again. So you are looking for 15 pips. So this time around, what do you have? You have about 13 pips. So you can see today on this currency pair, we have taken few trades, right? Okay, the first trade, it hit our stop loss, right? The second trade, we make 15 pips or 14 pips target. The second trade here, we make 14 pips target, and the third trade here, we make, it's about 13 pips. We reach 13 pips. So you had profit here, profit here, but a loss. 1 loss and 3 wins. Good. I hope that is clear. I hope it's not complicated. OS Wealth, what are you trading for today, please? we are trading today USD card. All right. You put setup in the indicator. Yes. Good to see you daily. All right. So it might look complicated because the way this chart is displayed, but it's so simple, very simple. Any question? So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn on the remaining sessions. We're gonna turn on the Asian session by changing the color. Okay, all right, good. It's quite understandable. Good. We're gonna turn on the color for Asia, and we're gonna turn on the color for America. Right, America color, America wonder. Hey, Akin, today, what will you have done with TP2 and 3 on the first trade? Yes, because you didn't get to TP2 and 3, then there's nothing to do with it. It's just like, well, you didn't get there, but you have hit your TP1. That's the maximum you got for that particular trade. But on some days, when the price keep to move in your favor, it will hit your TP2, it will hit your TP3, 4, 5. In fact, there was a day we had up to TP10. but that is just not going to happen every day. So someday you only hit your TP1 as you have seen, but you see that we hit our TP1 about 3 times today. Someday it will be TP1, 2, 3, 4 on the same trade. So prepare, hope for the best, prepare for the best. Okay, so now we got our American session, the Europe session, everything spot on. Okay, all right, just let you know as well that you can trade any currency pair, and also you can trade any currency pair, and as well you can trade indices. You can trade indices, you can trade currency pair. Okay, so don't be scared of any of them. The rule of thumb is that you look for something that you are comfortable with, and then you trade that. Okay, so in terms of currency pairs, I think the majors are okay. What you can avoid is the what we call the exotics. The exotics, the spread is always very high. If you look at this column here is the spread. The last column is the spread. Okay, you can see the spread for GBP SEC, 46 pips. That's high. And the spread for USD Mexico, 53 pips. That's high. The US spread for USD NOK, 41 pips. That is high. The spread for USD SEC is 38 pips. That is high. For the US Robbie, that's 66 pip. That is high. So you want to avoid all those ones. USD Turkish Lira, 76 pips, which is high. So you want to avoid all those ones. Okay, when you get to currency pair, USD CAD 0.6 pips, Euro dollar 0.2 pips, USD Japanese yen 0.2 pips, USD chef 0.5, pound dollar 0.2, New Zealand 0.5, Euro GB 0.5, Aussie dollar 0.2, Aussie CAD 1.2, and so on and so forth. So look at Euro Turkish Lira, 82 pips. Euro SEC, 91 pips. Oh my goodness. When are you going to make profit? When you want to tackle a spread of 90 pips. Oh my goodness. Anyway, the currency also move, or the currency pair also move rapidly anyway. So it would not take too long to recover from the spread. Gold. You want to see gold? It's quite understandable. Okay. Yes. What of gold? You want to see gold? All right. Gold and US 30. All right. Oh, you need more explanation about TP2 and 3 related to Mr. Okay. Yes, I'll explain to you. Gold. Okay. You want to see gold? All right. Let's look at gold first, and then we look at US 30. SAU USD. This is gold. Gold is currently trading at $1,887. Okay, this is gold. All right, so let's explain the gold. So this is Europe, this is Asia, Europe, and America. All right, let's do the Europe. Okay, let's do the Europe. All right, so we put the 2 line I said you withdraw. You remember that this box has been drawn already by the indicator, but your job is to draw the 2 lines. Okay, so now we have the 2 lines. All right, where is it? Okay. All right, so we got the Europe here. All right, who can identify for us the trigger candle here? If you can identify it, say I can. And I will put you on the spot. I will put you on the spot. If you can identify it, say I can. And I will put you on the spot. You are the first person that say he can identify it. I will wait until that person gives me the answer. Okay? If you can identify the trigger candle here, say you can. First respond, we answer the question. Okay, so Akiyemi is the first person, and I'm waiting for him to tell me the answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert to help you I'm going to insert an arrow to show you where I'm going to start from. Okay, I'm going to start counting from here. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's my number one candle. So Akinyemi, tell me please, what is the number for your trigger candle? If you got it wrong, then we go to the next person. If that person gets it wrong, we go to the next person until we get someone that can answer. Akinyemi, the ball is in your court. We're waiting. If you don't tell us, we don't move. You don't tell us, we don't move. We are stuck here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's not my fault. It's Akinyemi's fault. Okay, Akinyemi. We need somebody to second him. If you agree with Akinyemi, say yes. If you agree with Akinyemi, say yes. If you think it's right, I need 3 people to confirm it. 3 people to confirm. Say yes, then we can proceed, because I want you guys to answer the question yourself. If you agree with Akinyemi, type yes. Type yes, 3 people please. Okay, thank you so much, Shuki, Ifeanyi, and George. So you confirm. Excellent. Good. Thank you so much, Akinyemi. You are the ace. You ace it, right? You're top dog. You're the SBS strategist, all right? Okay, so now we know that Akinyemi know the candle here is number 3. By the way, if you don't understand how Akinyemi arrive at 3, just type no. Type no if you don't understand, so that we can go over it again. If you don't understand it, just type no. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Go for it, because it's a one chance to learn something. So I'd rather some people might make a fun of me rather than me hiding away and not understanding it. Okay, so that's candle number 3 is your man. It's your main candle. All right, so that is at the close of that candle. At the close of that candle, you take your trade. This time around, you are taking a buy trade at the close of this candle. Okay. Now, I want to answer your question. The question that was asked by Akinyemi as well, who needs more explanation about TP2 and TP3. I just want to answer that question. Okay. Today you are going to do more work. Everybody, get yourself prepared. You're going to do work. No free lunch. No free lunch. All right. So we know that we have entered our buy here. So, and we know our stop loss is this line below here. And our TP1 is this. Okay. So TP1 is, it's quite a big TP. Okay. Yeah, because we are trading gold. Right. Okay. So TP is 47 pips. Okay, 47 pips. So let's use some lines to draw our TP lines. So from here, TP1, maybe it's around there, maybe that. Okay, let's move it a little bit further. Let's say that's TP1, 47 pips. Let's say that is another TP2 for another 47 pips, and let's put the next TP3. Okay, let's say that's the next TP3. Yeah. So we all agree to that. You know, it's not accurately measured, but you get the idea, right? We are trying to find TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay. So I'm trying to explain. Akinyemi's question. You like the life? Okay, good. I like the life too. All right. So you've entered your you've entered your trade here. Let's say you enter 0. Let's say you entered 0.3 lots, 0.3 from here. All right. So price move to your TP1. You will close 0.1. Okay. So you have 0.2 left. price reach your TP2, you close another 0.1, then you have 0.1 left out of your trade. And as you see, price did not reach your third level. Okay, it stopped at TP2. By the way, once you price move in your favor, you bring your stop loss to, first of all, to break even, then to TP1, and you leave it at TP2. So when you didn't hit your TP3 and price return back, you will come out from TP2. So for this particular trade, you close your first position at TP1 and you close the remaining two positions at TP2. Any question? Okay, the name of the group is called Simple Breakout Strategy. At the moment, we are still taking in members. The members now are over 1,000. I believe 1,100 and something. Yes, that's a huge number now. Okay. All right. So that is how to organize the TPs. Okay. Thank you for that. For a simple breakout strategy. That's it. So that is how to organize the TPs. So you can enter one big position. Let's say if your what's it called? Your lot size says you should trade, let's say 3 lots, 3 standard lots. Your money management rule, and you have applied your 2% rule, you have applied your 5% rule, you've applied everything, you calculate it, and it gives you, let's say, 3 standard lots. Because you have a huge account. Maybe you are trading a 50k account. Who wants to trade 50k account here? Okay, all right. Let me ask you a question. Okay, what is the biggest account size you have traded before? Not demo, live account. Just type it there. It doesn't play. It doesn't take away anything from you. I just want to sample your opinions generally and see how big trades people's past trade, how big they have traded before. So let me know what is the biggest account size you have traded before. Okay, if it is 20k, is it five what? $5. Suki, $5. Jeez. Yes, Oluwaseun 2k. Okay, $1,000. Yes, good. Okay, Shuki, come back with something else. 5 what? 5k, 550. Okay, Daddy Olympics 1k. Yeah, 1k. Anybody else? 3k. That's okay. Good. 3k. Okay, 4k. Yes, well, it's coming up. Okay. All right, 4k, that's good. 4,000 US dollar, that's quite a lot. That's good. Okay, so at the moment, yes, Nick 300 US, that's good. So at the moment, Kayode seems to be the highest so far with 4k. All right, okay, which is good. With a 4k, you could take let's say one standard lot. Yes, you could take a standard lot. Provided your stop loss size is not a huge one, say about 20 pips stop loss, then when you work it out and you are having a maybe maximum of 5% risk tolerance, it might allow you to take a standard lot. Okay, all right, Augustine, 1k. All right. The reason why I asked that, keep it coming, please, keep it coming. The reason why I asked that is before you go into a trade, you need to calculate how much lot size you need to trade. So you don't just say buy one standard lot or buy 0.01. Okay, you can do 0.01 if you have a small account. I mean, the smallest size you can trade on most of the broker is 0.01. So if you have a $100 account, do you have a choice? Do you have a choice of what you can trade? No choice. Emmanuel Jones, you've done 10k euro before. That's good. Okay, Akintoye, you've done about 10k. All right. Okay. Okay, pretest, you blew 4K account. Yeah, that's not a it's not a good feeling, but you are not alone in that. I've seen people blow 50K account. I've seen people blown 30K in a space of like few days. Jeez. All right. So I think I want to teach you, right? Especially when you have an account size of something like 4K, you should be able to handle it and generate income for yourself. You know, there are different trading strategies. There are strategies to generate income, and there are strategies for growth. You don't mix the two together, and that's the mistake some people make. They put money in their account, let's say 10,000K, and they are applying a strategy that can generate income. What they need to do is actually take income out maybe every week or every month or every 2 weeks or even every day, depending on how much income you are generating. So if your strategy is a income generating strategy, you should be taking out money from your account very regularly, because it means that if the push come to shove and something happened, trouble happened, and all air broke loose, at least you have made some profits and you have put it in your bank account. So don't make the same mistake many people would make, that they want to build a huge account. It is possible, but you have to use the right strategy to do that. Okay, excellent. So 5 lots, it's about 10K. Sim, you did 1K, which is quite incredible. That's good. All right, so now let's assume that now you have taken you calculated it based on your account size, and you can take 3 lot sizes, 3 standard lots. Okay, so you put the 3 standard lots at the same time. At TP1 you close 1 standard lot, you have 2 left. At TP2 you close another standard lot, you have 1 standard lot left. And the last bit is you will do what? You will close the last one, you know, when it reverses back to TP2. Okay, I hope everybody knows how to do that. All right, I hope everybody knows how to do that, how to close your position in stages, partial close. Okay, I hope you know how to do partial closure. All right, I wouldn't mind to show you. Okay, if I can connect to let me see if I can connect to an account that I can show you. I can demonstrate to you tonight. Let's see if I have any demo account I can just practice with you tonight. I don't used to do that, but I'm so glad that you guys came at a short notice period. Therefore, you got me at home today. You got me at home. Let me view navigation. Not sure if I have. I doubt if I have a demo. I don't have a demo account here. All right, it's all live account. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't practice on live account for you. I thought I'm going to have a demo account there, but I don't have. You can see there's no demo account. I used to have some demo account, but here there's no demo. All right. So next time I'll practice prepare for a demo account so I can show you. What I wanted to show you is how to close partial trade. So say for example you go for 3 standard lot sizes, and then you want to close 1 standard lot. I want to show you how to do that. So join me next lesson. In fact, next time I'll be doing some more practical work with you. I'll show you how to close third of your position. The next you close another third of the position, and you have the last third which you are going to close finally. Okay, I hope that is clear, everybody. Good. Akinyemi, now you understand it. Now I can go home and rest for tonight. Thank you, Akinyemi. You don't know how to calculate the lot size to trade with. Okay. All right. This is one of the reasons why we set up our group. So if you need to join our group, you know, let me know. Just say yes. Join group. Say yes. I will give you proper instruction to join. But I'm going to show you something really interesting. Okay, jeez, I'm not sure if I have that link here. Okay, let me try and figure out if I can find that link for you. All right, my FX book, right, in fact, look, let me Google for something first. I will Google for my FX book, lot size calculator. Okay, let me try the lot calculator, my FX book. Let me see if it will take me there. Position size calculator. Yeah, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is gonna do you a lot of good. So here now, ladies and gentlemen, how much is your, okay, somebody give me your you don't need demo. you want me to put in a live trade right now and then close it immediately? Oh my goodness, you must be pushing me, right? If you push me, I will do it. Joking. All right, okay, somebody give me an account size they want to use for this demonstration. Give me an account size you want me to use. All right, got it. Give me an account size you want me to use for the demonstration. All right, okay, all right, joking. Right, okay, download Forex Tester 4. Okay, is that what you mean? All right, okay, I'll do that next lesson. Okay, somebody give me what account size you want me to use here. $500. Okay, good. 500. I like that because that is more realistic. So now we want to use, okay, let's try the $500 first. So your account size is $500. Okay, how much risk do you want to take? What percentage? You know, you have some people will say, oh, I take 2% risk. Some people will say 5% risk. Some people will say 10% risk. So what risk percentage are you comfortable with? Okay. Shuki, 10 billions. You got money there. Shuki, your bank manager is going to run away if he sees you. No, what's going on? Hey, please, can somebody help Kayode there? Somebody help him out. He's looking for our group. Somebody help him out. All right. Yeah, Robert, 10 grand. What risk? What risk size you want to take? Who wants to take 5% risk? Who wants to take 10%? Who wants 20% risk? Who wants 20% risk? Who wants 50% risk? Who wants to take the whole risk, 100% risk? Let me know the risk ratio you want. How many percentage? I'm waiting. All right, so 2%. All right, yes, that's correct. All right, below the video, that's correct. Below the video, the Telegram group is there. So go below the video, check out the description. You should find the Telegram group there. That's correct. Thank you for that. I nearly forgot. Hey, Dolapo, you want 20%, George? You want 20%? Nwako, you want 20%? Jeez, that's high. If you ask me, I will say that's a bit high. Shuki, 1%. I think that's low. All right. Okay, but 1% is not bad if you have enough money. All right, let's go with 2% and let's see. So 2%. 2%. Okay, so you are risking your 2%. Okay. Then your stop loss. Okay, you want 5%. We'll test with 5% as well. Okay. How many stop loss are you planning to have? So let's say you want to take a particular trade and it calculates your stop loss. Let's look at SBS, for example. Let's look at SBS. I wouldn't use this one to calculate our stop loss because it's going to be huge. Let's use a normal currency pair that all of us, everybody understand and know about. Okay, so let's use $. It's a common one. Okay, so let's assume that our now it's about, let's say 15 pips is our stop loss. Okay, so let's say 15 pips is our stop loss and we are trading $. Okay, so stop loss is 15 pips. Okay, stop loss is 15 pips and we are trading $. Okay, and then we need to calculate. Okay, so see what we've done. Your capital size, you have a $500 account size. You only want to risk 2%, and your stop loss for the current trade is 15 pips. So you click calculate. All right, so what is it telling you now? That you are willing to risk $10. That's correct, because you are willing to risk 2% of your 500. So if you find 2% of 500, it will give you 10, because you know 1% is $5, 2% is $10. Okay, so it will give you $10. Fine. So when they now calculate everything, it's showing you that you can trade 0.06 lot size, 0.06. You can trade 0.06. That's the maximum you can trade. And you know why it is like that? It is like that because your stop loss is very small. If your stop loss changes from 15 pips and double to 30 pips, for example, which is not uncommon in Forex, some stop loss could be even as high as 50 pips, even 100 pips. So let's say your stop loss is 30 pips and you click calculate. Now instead of trading 0.06, you now only can trade 0.03. All right, did you see how your stop loss have effect on the lot size? Okay, let's assume now that instead of 30 pips stop loss, your stop loss is now 50 pips, and you want to trade. You still have the same account size, you are still taking the same amount of risk, 2%. That means every time you don't want to lose more than $10, so you want to use that to calculate what is the size of your lots. So you calculate. Now you have 50 pip stop loss. You calculate. Now you can only take 0.02 lot size. That is 2 micro lots. 2 micro lots. Now let's say one more time you now want to use 100 pips stop loss, and you have $500 account, and you want to see how many lot size you can trade. Guess what? The maximum is 0.01 micro lot. So you can see how the effect of your lots of your stop loss in pips, how it affects the size of your trade. And this is very important, because if you don't follow this rule, you will blow your account in no time. Because if you are, say for example, instead of trading 0.01, you are trading, let's say 0.1. Okay, and each time, instead of losing $10, you are losing $100. Right? You only need to lose 5 times, and your $500 account is gone. It's wiped out. C'est fini. Va move. Disappear. Why? Because you are not following the right trade lot size, and that's what kill a lot of traders. You are trading, you are over trading. That's what it means. You are trading above your account size. You must have heard it from many places, and you will hear from me. I'm a mentor. What killed account is not your strategy. You can have a bad strategy. Listen to me. You can have a bad strategy, but good money management and you still come out profitable. Yes. But you can have a perfect strategy, but a good money management, I guarantee you are going to lose. So you choose which one you want to perfect. Do you want to perfect your money management skills very well, and make sure that whatever strategy that you lay your hands upon, if you apply correct money management, you can survive? So you see some people are in the market for years and years and years, grinding it out. They say, I've been in the market for 15 years. If he has been losing for 15 years, I think by now he will have quit. Right? He has been in the market for 15 years because he's grinding out the result. Gradually. He's grinding it out. Somebody jump in the market, immediately he burn his finger, is out of here. You call him again, hey, my friend, are you trading? No, I no longer trade again. You know why? Because he has he has burned his fingers. He has not followed the right money management. Okay, so that is it, ladies and gentlemen. So let's any question about that? I'm open to answer your questions. Today is your free day. Free training, free day, no hanging about. Yes, there's a template for it. Some people will help you out. We have a lot of people on this this live session that they know a lot about this strategy already. They're gonna send it something, give you a link to download it. Yes. Any question? Okay. All right. Yes. If fine. Okay, let me ask you, are you a member of yourtradementor.com? Are you a member yet? Are you a member of yourtradementor.com? Oh, why IC markets? You can only trade one standard lot on US 30. Okay, I will have to check that out. I will have to check it out and give you an explanation or reason or whether that is true or not. Okay, if you are. All right, so how did you miss? Okay, let me show you something. Okay, how did you miss our lesson, our live session yesterday? Okay, all right, I'm going to show you something. Hold on. It's Discord group, right? Discord, right? I'm going to show you Discord group, because if you are a member, you have quite a lot of opportunity and benefit that you should be getting. So if you are not getting that benefit, I think we need to correct that. Okay, so this is our Discord group. All right, you can see quite a lot of people on our Discord group. So feel free, if you want to join the Discord group, I'll show you how to do that. So we have something we call live session. Let me look for it. All these are channels. These are all our live channels. We have something we call live session. Where is it? Okay, this is questions for live session training. Where is it? Announcement, competition talk. Okay, I think, yeah. All right, I think it's gonna be all right. Let me go to announcement. Okay, let me go to live session, live session training. Okay, all right, these are the, when we have live session, these are the questions people are asking. Okay, but all right, so now if do you know when this came out? Do you know when this came out on our on Discord or even in Telegram? Did you see this poster? That was 2 days ago on Tuesday. Did you see that poster? Oh, I like your answer. You too are fine. Okay. The reason why I said so is because we actually dealt after we discussed double market strategy. It's a live training session. So as a member, you get a live training session, all this once in a week. If possible, sometimes we might even do more than once a week. So you get a fresh topic every week that we go through. So on Tuesday we did the double MACD. Actually we finished, and then we moved into how to filter out fake breakouts. Oh no, it wasn't. No, it was on Discord. It wasn't YouTube. It was on Discord. Yeah. Okay. Sorry about that. It was on Discord. You can see. And that day, quite a lot of people joined. It was a very fantastic time. In fact, if you see this indicator here, this indicator is what I'm going to show you now. How to filter out bad trades, because we put it there. Okay. So we put this indicator for members to download. Okay, so let me now explain to you. So for you, I'm going to go over it now, right? How long have I been trading? Okay, this is my 19th year. 19. 19th year. I hope that doesn't scare you, right? Okay, so what we are going to do is to go into let me show you quickly what how to filter out bad trade. So that's the question that you asked me, and for EFIN, because you missed out on that, I will show you. But nevertheless, let me show you something else before I go into that. In case you want to review it, we have a recorded video of it. So if you come back into the Telegram group, you can play this video. This video will show you exactly what we did, and towards the end of it, that is when we did filtering bad trades. Okay, so it will worth your time to enjoy it. It's only about 1 hour, just 1 hour 5 minutes or so long. So but if you are only interested in the how to filter out the bad trade from SBS, go towards the end of the video and you can watch. All right, good stuff. All right, but nevertheless, I will quickly show you, because you are special. Everybody is special. All right, so what we do is, now let's say this is your SBS. So to filter out bad trade, to filter out, listen carefully if you are here. The name of this Discord is called let me show you again. It's YTM. This is the Discord, your trade mentor. You can see, and you can even see it here, your trade mentor. That's the name of the Discord group. And we have quite a lot of people on Discord group now. We're running to quite a lot. You can scroll to the end. So and all these are they are members. Okay, this is member only forum. Only member can access this forum. Okay, now what I want to explain to you is the this strategy. Okay, so now you have the SBS box and you want to filter out bad trade. Okay, let me explain how we are going to, what we are going to try to do. Okay, you all know about resistance and support, right? You know support and resistance lines. Okay, so now we want to use that knowledge to help us to filter out some trades that we know they want to hit a support or resistance level very, very soon. That we know if we go into this trade, it is most likely to hit a support level or a resistance level in a very short period of time. And what does that mean? It means that trade can be stopped in its tracks, because we know it is not a very easy task to break support or resistance level, especially if it's coming from a higher time frame. So if you have a support or resistance that is coming from a higher time frame and you are on a lower time frame like 5 minutes, it is going to be a little bit hard to break that resistance level. So we want to avoid any signal from SBS that is too close to a support or resistance level that is coming from a higher time frame. Yes? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Damn it! Yeah, well, loaded is relative. I'm loaded with experience. Yes, I'm loaded with experience, and I am comfortable. Yes, thank you very much. The name of the Discord is called YTM, your trade mentor. I think I showed it earlier. Okay, so now with that, can you confirm if you understand what I've just explained about support and resistance? Okay, we are using a higher time frame support and resistance level to manage our trade on 5 minutes chart. Okay, so we want to prevent any SBS signal that is too close to a support and resistance level that is coming from a higher time frame. And when I say higher time frame, I say specifically 1 hour time frame. Okay, so good. Thank you, Shuki, for confirmation. So we are going to look for support and resistance levels on a 1 hour time frame. And when we have a signal from SBS in a 5 minute time frame, we make sure that it is not close to that support and resistance level. Then we take the trade. If it's too close, we don't take the trade. I will show you now, right? Okay, if you want to know, say yes, I want to know. It's a free lesson and I'm happy to give it, right? I've been giving it for many years, so this is not my first time of doing so. All right, so now I have an indicator that's going to help us to do that. Okay, let me drink some water. I have an indicator that's going to help us to do that. You want to know? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. We're doing this for you, man. We're doing it for you. Everybody say thank you to Ify. All right. Daddy long papes. All right, we'll do it. I have said we will do it. Yeah, we'll do it. All right. Okay, we'll do it. All right, we'll do it. So I'm going to insert an indicator here. Okay. And it's a custom indicator. I hope it's on here. Yes, it's here. It's a support and resistance indicator. Okay, support and resistance indicator. All right. By the way, look at the name of that indicator, SS support resistance. Okay, then go to Discord, and then you will find the same indicator there. I believe I showed you earlier. Welcome to my day. I think it's in the if you go to the question of live training, I believe is here. All right, there, let's try to see. Yes, no, this is the PDF. Okay, no, if you go to the indicator, there is I think best indicators, I believe. Yes, so if you go to the indicators, you will see that indicator is there. It's called SS support resistance. So if please log in, go to the Discord, go to our Discord server and just go and pick up this support resistance indicator, right? So, and I will explain how to use it now. Okay, all right. So when you add that support and resistance indicator to your chart, it looks like this. Okay, so The good thing about it is that you can actually use this indicator to call for resistance and support level any time frame. So if you leave the time frame at default value 0, it will be drawing support and resistance on that particular time frame. So you know the time frame we are now is 5-minute time frame. So if we leave this number at 0, so it means you are drawing support and resistance on this current time frame. I'll show you. I'll draw it. You will see what I mean. So if I click just OK without changing anything. Okay, you want to join the group? Okay, I will show you how. If you just click OK to that. Okay, so what you see is these are the supports, 2 support level, actually 4 support level on a 5-minute time frame, and 3 resistance levels at a 5-minute time frame. This is the current time frame. So if you don't change anything, this is what you are going to get. So, and the good thing about this as well is that it's not just drawing a line, it's drawing a zone. You know, support and resistance are zones, and they are not lines, they are zones. Support, resistance, zone. Okay, support and resistance zone, support, resistance zone. Okay. So, but for our strategy, we don't want to see the support and resistance zones of a 5-minute chart. We want to see that of a 1-hour chart, the higher time frame. Remember, higher time frame. Why? The support resistance level of a higher time frame is more important than the ones on the lower time frame. The lower time frame we always respect the support and resistance level coming from a higher time frame. Okay, so if that is clear enough, is that clear enough? Can we continue? Is that clear enough? Answers, please. All right. All right. Okay. Damn. Okay, want to know? Yes, want to know. Okay, all right. So, can we continue? You guys okay with that? We can move on with that. Okay, confirmation. Right? Are we happy with that? Okay, good. Shuki, thank you for confirmation. All right, now that we know how it works on a 5-minute, it's the second candle after your arrow. Okay. So now what we're gonna do now is we are going to change it from the 5-minute support and resistance lines to the higher time frame, 60 minutes, 1 hour. Okay, I'm coming, please. I'm gonna tell you shortly. Let me do this first. So now you're gonna put 60 minutes, 60 minutes, which means 1 hour, right? So if you are looking for support and resistance on a 1-hour chart, you will put it here 60. Assuming you want to look for the one from 4 hours, you put it 240 minutes. That makes 4 hours. If you are looking for a day support and resistance and you want it to be shown on this 5 minutes, you will change it to 1440, which means 1 day, and so on and so forth. Okay, no, 1440 is 4 hours. Okay, no, 240 is 4 hours. Yeah, 1440 is 1 day, and 10,080 is a weekly, and so on and so forth. Okay, so what we want is just for the 1 hour, so we put 60 here. Okay, so we put 60, which is 60 minutes. Okay, watch what is going to happen. You see, when we did 5-minute time frame, support and resistance, we have all these small support and resistance marked out for us. But now when we switch to a higher time frame, some of this should disappear, and let's see what we get. Now we got only one. Okay, so now we got only this support that is coming from 1 hour, that is coming from 1 hour, that support level is coming from 1 hour and from 1 hour. Okay, you can change a currency pair, it will still be there. See, it's telling you now that this resistance is coming from 1 hour. Okay, and another resistance is far away. If you break this resistance, the next resistance to be broken is this USD Japanese yen. So it's telling you now that your close here, this is the current price. The closest resistance to you is this one here, which is quite far away. From here, you are looking at about 41 pips, right? Now, to your question, fine. All right, now let's assume, because these boxes are old boxes, okay, so we cannot use this box anymore. They are old. But let's assume that you want to trade now, and you get a box here, and you get a signal to go short. Robert, I'm talking to, who am I talking to? Everybody. I'm talking to everybody, but fine in a specific way. Now, if you get a SBS saying go short, but you would think, hey, wait, should I go short? If you ask me to go short here, I've got a strong support line here, which probably might not be broken, which might withstand this down move, which might support this trade, which might support this this price. It means it might get here and bounce back because of this support line. So let me zoom in. Let me make it. I want to see where the support line is coming from. So that's why you need knowledge. You need knowledge. You see, the support line is a very strong support line. See, that support line is held here. If you scroll backward, see that support line is held here, right? That support line is held here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and the first support line was actually found. When was that? That was July 10th. July the 10th. So this support line has been holding this USD Japanese yen for more than 2 weeks, from July 10 up to today. It's been holding it. They haven't been able to break it. They've never been able to break that support. All right, it's very strong. And now you're getting SBS box right now. Now you are getting SBS box that is telling you to go short. It's telling you to go against this strong support level. It's telling you to go against the support level. Will you go? So that is how to filter out some bad breakouts. When you have a breakout that is so close to a very strong support level, that is a bearish breakout that is so close to a support level, you will give it a miss. You say, all right, Mr. SBS, thank you very much for now. I will wait for another opportunity. I will wait for another opportunity. Okay, so if it's too close to a support level, you will wait for another chance. But let's assume that the SBS box produced you a long signal. Oh yes, that's good, because the next resistance level to you is far away. In fact, you'll be able to make your TP1, 2 or TP3, whatever you can make before you hit that resistance level. You always know that resistance levels are very important in trading. So it's called price action. Okay, I hope that is clear. Yes, so that's what I'm saying. If your TP is below the level, you don't go into the trade at all. So if you cannot realize your TP1 before the support level, then you will not take that trade. But look at the buy trade. Let's assume there's a buy trade here. Let's say you are going to go long from here, and you see you have quite a lot of room to move to your TP1 and TP2 probably before you hit the resistance level. Then you can do that. You can accept that trade. But for the trade, let's say the trade is going short from here, and you measure, you see from here to your support level, it's only 7 pips. But in 7 pips time, you are going to hit this brick wall. So you're going to hit this brick wall in 7 pips time. And the SBS is telling you to go short. You say, Mr. SBS, just hang on a bit. I know you're always good, but this time around, let me wait. You might wait and see whether we are able to break this support. And if we are able to break this support, then you can start trading from here downwards. Because you know from there on, it's plain selling all the way down. No more support level. But you want to take out this support level first before you can proceed. I hope that is clear. Good. All right, let me now answer some questions about the SBS box. Okay, the simple answer is that you got to sign up to you got to register on this website. You can go there right now, register on this website, and I will give you a code to use. Okay, you can go to that site, register for that site right now. Use this code when you get to checkout. Okay, register, use that code when you get to checkout. That code will give you 80% discount of whatever price you see there. But make sure you register for silver package. Go there, register for silver package, and use that code, please. If you don't use this code, you are going to pay the full price. If you use this code right now, you will get 80% discount off. Okay, and once you've done that, you will have access to Discord. Discord, you'll be added to Discord. You just send your Discord ID, you'll be added to Discord, and we have all live sessions on Discord on a weekly basis, and on a daily basis we have trade alerts. We have you can see some of the things that we do. Let me show you some of the things that we do. We have 3 powerful strategies that we use. They are here. Trading strategy. One of them is what I'm teaching you tonight, Simple Breakout Strategy. Okay, also we have some voice channel. We have our one-to-one mentorship. Okay, and we have chart patterns. So if you're a person that you're interested in a technical analysis and you want to be able to filter your trade, you want to see what is going on, then you're welcome. There are a lot of our colleagues here that we look into chart pattern and give you some ideas of what you could expect. Like we're approaching a support level. This is a triangle breakout. Different style. Look, that is this is also approaching a resistance level there. That is giving you that you have you want to break this is a resistance level and the support level is holding. So different this one is giving you an idea. You all know this indicator. This is called the harmonic pattern. So the harmonic pattern is the ABCD. So this is point A, point B, point C, point D. So this is telling you that where we are now from here is projection is to go to this point D. This is the last point. That is where it's going. And this is going to give you the stop loss, the take profit target. It's going to give you everything. So if you are someone that wants to learn a little bit more about charting, how you can draw lines, this place is for you. Okay, so you can see some of the work there. Excellent. All right, so what you need to do is to go to that website, select the silver package, use this code, and you get 80% off. All right, so let's go back to our demonstration here. All right, so if fine, do you have any question? All right, so you missed Discord. Okay, do you have a Discord ID? Do you have a Discord ID? Okay, or when you get back to our Telegram, just send me your Discord ID tonight. You'll be part of the Discord. I think sorry for missing you out. You'll be part of the Discord group tonight. Yeah, because most of the private stuff is going on Discord. Yeah. So you'll be part of it tonight if you send me your Discord ID, and I will add you immediately. It is yours to use, right? Okay. Right. So now you can see that you will not take a sell trade here, but you will take a buy trade here if it gives you one. All right. That's a good example. Let's look at another example. Let's just drop any chart. Okay. So for this chart, for example, you are free if you get SBS box here or SBS signal. You are free to take any of the trade. You can take buy, you can take sell. Why? Because the support and resistance are so far away, it wouldn't matter to your trade. The support and resistance are far away from the higher time frame. Let's go to your pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay. Now I want you to answer me this question. I'm going to ask you question if you understand. Okay, yes, Daddy Pips. Okay. Okay, what is your Telegram's ID? Because I'm going to do that for you now. What's your Telegram ID? What's your Telegram ID? So I will just ping you right now, and you will join Discord right now as we speak. Okay, so but while you are doing that, I will carry on with the demonstration. Okay, the question I'm going to ask all of you now, yeah, the question is, I have SBS box here, let's assume, and the SBS box is giving me a buy. Should I buy it? Before you answer the question, let me measure my distance to this place. I've got 17 pips. I've got 17 pips to the resistance level, and I've got 48 pips to the support level from this point. Okay, so if I have a signal to go long or a signal to go short, which of them should be my preferred signal? To go long or to go short, based on the support and resistance level that I'm looking at? That's the question for you. That is the question for you. All right, Daddy Pips, I got you. Okay. All right, that's the question for you, everybody. I need your answer, please. I need your answer. Which one will be your preferred method? Which one will be your preferred one? Okay. Which one? The sell, the buy, or the sell? The buy or the sell? Okay, Daddy Pips, here you go. All right, I've sent you the link to join the Discord. Click that link right now. Click. Oh, right. Okay, yes. So that's the link. All right, actually, I should actually. All right, let's take it out from here. Let me look for you personally, and I will send it to you personally. Daddy Long Pips. Okay, this is Daddy Long Pips here. Okay, send a message. Okay, now you got the link, Daddy Long Pips. You can click there. Once you create a Discord ID, send it to me again, and you will be on the Discord channel immediately, on the Discord server. All right. So what is the answer to my question, ladies and gentlemen? What is the answer? What is the answer to my question? Short all the way. Short all the way. Excellent. 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 Yes. 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 So short. You are correct. To go short. To buy. Ifeanyi, why are you buying? Ifeanyi, tell me why you should be buying. Why you should be thinking of buying if you have two options. One is to sell, one is to buy. Okay, I can understand why you are thinking like that. Okay. You're probably thinking because we are in an uptrend. Okay. Well, I'm not trying to trick anybody. I just want to base on the support and resistance. Okay, I know if we are going to do anything, yeah, a buy looks like a good trade because we are on an uptrend, but that is not the point I want to show. I just want to show that when you are close to a resistance line and when you are close to a support line, you must have a preference of which one you should be aiming to do. So if you are too close to a resistance line, you should not go long until that resistance line is broken. For here, you see there's a big gap between the current price and the support line, and it's likelihood that you might be able to take your TP1, TP2, even TP3 before you reach here, compared to taking your trade and going long. Going long here is a bit risky. 14 pips. But in 14 pips time, you are going to hit this brick wall. That brick wall has stood here. They couldn't break it. Here, they couldn't break it. Let's see again. Here, they couldn't break it. So it is possible that they break it this time around. But what about if it's not possible? And you're already in a buy trade. So you're already in a buy trade and then you hit the brick wall. So what happened? Reversal. So that is one of the ways you can prevent fake breakouts. When it break out and it's too close to a resistance line, or when it break out and it's too close to a support line, then you just give it a miss. Can you see here that everybody knows that the resistance line is close, so nobody took a buy trade. They all took the sell trade. That's why it went down, because somebody knows something. Okay, so here at the same time, nobody wants to take a buy trade here. They all took sell trade. Now when it's approaching the third time, which side do you want to be? Do you still want to go against the general consensus that we are holding off? So the only time you should go long is after this has been broken. If this is broken and then we are running up here, say, goodness, man, I am going with them. No more hurdles. Look, the next hurdle is so far away. Actually, it's not a hurdle. Oh my goodness. Let's code this strategy for an EA. Room random user. We want to bar our users from coding anything to EA for now, because most of the traders will discover that once we have EA, we become lazy. And I have seen thousands and thousands of EA in the market. You know, myself, I'm a programmer. I can code EA, but though I don't code EA anymore. I pay people to code. But you know what? Learn how to trade first. Learn how to trade manually. You know, I'm sure if people in Wall Street, you know, people on the trade floor, I'm sure all of them they are calling Dow 50.5, ExxonMobil 5.8. They all have money to code EA, but they still do manual. There must be a reason for that. Okay, so I quite yes, get your point. Random user, I get your point, but let's not do that for now. Okay, yes, if fine, yes, that's short. Yes, short, yes. Oh, okay, all right. So let's do one more example. All right. Let's do one more example. All right, let's do one more example. All right, okay, Daddy Long Pips. Yes, I got you there. Okay, so 2, 3, okay. Send me the full. You just send me the number. Send me the full name and the number all together. Yeah, everything together. Okay, right. So let's do one more example, ladies and gentlemen. I'm in the mood tonight. You're really, you got me tonight. You got me in a real good mood tonight. Yeah. Happy to do this. Yeah. Okay, all right. So now this is. Oh yeah, you're waiting the lunch. Okay. Daddy Long Pips is waiting in the lunch. And we are going to admit him to the group. All right, let's see. Daddy Long Pips is waiting in the lunch. Where is he in the lunch? Waiting in the lunch. Right. I'm gonna find you in the lounge. Okay. All right. So let me go and find you where you are, and I will quickly, sharply add you to it. Okay. So I'm gonna look for you. Daddy Long. Okay, Daddy Long Pips, I got you. You are part of the family now. Hooray! Can you confirm that you are part of the family now, so everybody here can know that you are already a member now? Okay, so you have been added, and you should be able to see everything now. All that I'm showing you here, you should be able to see everything. Okay. Can you confirm that? Okay, so thank you so much. You're a family now. Okay, hurrah. So I think the first thing you need to do, now that you can access the exclusive Discord, what you need to do is to go to best indicators. Go to best indicators, and I think best indicators. Yes, this is no, not this one. Yeah, this is the one we are talking about right now. You can see this is the one we are talking about right now. So just download that and put it on your chart, and you can follow us. Okay, so let's continue our example. All right, so now I have dropped New Zealand US dollar into here, and as you can see, the next resistance level is far away. Let me measure. The next resistance level around about 50 something pips, and the next support level is also around about 28 pips. Okay, so it will now depend on when you get your SBS buy or sell arrow or signal. So when you get it, if it's too close to this line, you say thank you so much, I will wait for another day. If it's too close to that line, you don't take it. So you take those ones that have actually broken the line, broken the resistance or broken the support, or take the ones that are far away, that you have enough room to take your TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, so that will helps a lot. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay, thanks so much. You just registered. Okay, first thing you need to do is are you in Telegram? First of all, join the Telegram group. That is so easy to join. Just click the link. The Telegram group is below this video. Go to this video description. You will see the Telegram group. Join that, and then from there you can communicate with me. I'm on Telegram. You can't miss me when you get there. Or you just say hello in Telegram. You see a lot of people will jump on you. Let me quickly show you the Telegram group as well. If you haven't seen our Telegram group yet, let me show you. All right, so this is the Telegram group. It's quite a big group, so but don't worry. Daddy Pips, this is you. That Daddy Pips is in. All right, so currently we have 1,222 members. I like that number, 1222. 1222. Maybe France will be. Oh, you are in. Yes, maybe France will be our. Where is it? France. Is it? Are you Allo? France, are you Allo? Because this person just joined. Whether this is you, I don't know. So when you hello. Okay, this is the long Pips. Okay, so we have 1,222 members, and all they are talking about is Forex Simple Breakout Strategy. Okay, so we have a lot of them. This is just information about the live session we are doing right now. We normally post it, say we are doing live session. All right, so France, if you have joined, let me know give me your Discord. No, your Telegram ID so I can send you. Okay, send me your Telegram ID, and then I will post something to you. All right, I will. Oh, this is France. Okay, France. Okay, France. I know France. So I'm going to look for France here. Oh, this is France. Okay, good. And I'm going to send you a message, France. Let me take that message here, and I will send it to you now. Okay, you got my message, France. So you can join the Discord right away, instantly. And once you join the Discord, just send me your Discord ID so that I can put you in the appropriate group. Okay, while you are doing that, let's carry on with our work here. Okay, so let's do Aussie dollar. This is a perfect example. This is a perfect example. Why? Because I see this is what I'm trying to explain all along. Okay, this is what I'm trying to explain all along. You know, this is a support line that is we form the support line here, and the support line also has held. Now let us assume you have a signal to go short from here. Will you be going short immediately from here, or you will wait and see if you can break this support first before you go short? Okay, answer me. Will you go short immediately, or you wait? Will you go short immediately, or you wait? Right? Will you go short immediately, or you will wait? All right. Will you be going short immediately, having this knowledge? Before you are not aware there was a support here. Now that you know there is a support here, and suddenly you got a signal say, oh, you can sell at this point, sell here. Will you be selling, given that you now have some more information about this market? Thank you so much, Koshi Joff. Thank you. All right, thank you so much. Demi is going to help you out. So anyone that actually sign up and you want to be added to either Discord group or Telegram or anything, Demi will help you out. Thank you so much, Demi, for doing that. So now we know here that, okay, so Kosi, you say you are not going to go short. Anybody else that will not go short here? If you get a signal and the signal say, all right. Okay, so Asim will wait for signal to be broken. Let me do something. Insert an arrow here. Insert a down arrow here. So what I'm saying is here, you just got, assuming this is SBS. SBS say, okay, now you can sell from here. Yes. Sell now. Will you now be selling? Right. So Dollar Cost say you should wait. Asim say you should wait. Kosi say you should wait. I agree with three of them. Yes, I agree with three of them. We should all wait because we have a support level that we have not broken yet. This is support zone. In fact, this become a place where we can buy. You just have to wait for some confirmation, some price action confirmation to tell you that actually this support has held. That will be discussion in our Discord group. In our Discord group, we have a training plan. So every time we have a topic, one of the topic is how can I trade using this support and resistance. I have a perfect strategy for you using just this support and resistance only to trade. You can see how simple it is. You know, now you know here. Without this, you don't know. You'll be asking, why is it turning back? Why is it not going down? Why is it just turning back from here? But now because you see, oh yeah, the reason is because there's a support zone here. That's why it's turning back, and that's why we are not taking a sell. Somebody without that information will say, okay. Without that information, we say, oh yeah, we are in a downtrend. Yes, we're in a downtrend. We can sell. Yeah, we can sell. But if you do sell, you are going to sell into this rocky brick wall. There is a brick wall. You are going to sell into this brick wall, and it's going to suck you in. it will suck you in and you'll not be able to come out. So now that you know there's a brick wall here, so just wait. In fact, instead of selling, you might be thinking of buying, because you know if you have actually succeeded in resisting this support level, and this support level has hold, well, next place we are going we are going high. Okay. However, if you are using this strategy to trade, there is another thing that will add to it, because when you're using the support level on a higher time frame, but when you want to exit, you will use something else to exit when you are using this as a scalping strategy. Okay, so always remember that support level needs to be broken first before you go into trade, or you have a big room to hit a support level before you take a sell position. Okay, good. Okay, yes. All right. Did the previous box hit TP before the support zone? That's a good question. Let's see. Let us see. That's a very good question. All right, so let's try that. Okay. What I'm going to do, let's draw the box properly. Let's draw the box properly so we can measure the TP size. TP size. Okay, so that's the box here. Okay, remember that the box give us a short trade. Okay, and this is where it said we should go short. Okay, at that point, so let me make that our sell line. All right, so it said we should go short here. All right, so TP1 is 16, oh no, sorry, 20 pips, 19.8. Let's say 20 pips is a TP1. And now let's see from here to the support line. Support line is 11 pips. 11 pips. So it didn't actually go to 20 pips should be, and okay, the maximum it got is 15 pips, but 20 pips is actually round about here is 20 pips. So we didn't hit TP1 yet here. But you know what? I've also explained to you sometimes that once you are able to make 10 pips, you should not go home with a stop loss. You should not be stopped out once you are ever in a position of a profit up to 10 pips. Once you are in a 10 pip profit, you must protect yourself, so that from plus 10 you don't want to see minus 20 or minus 25. No way. No way. All right. Okay, good. I hope you understand that, Ifeanyi. I hope that is clear. Okay. All right. So let's look at one more example. Okay, one more example here. All right. So now we are here. Okay, this example is actually very good as well. Now, this currency now is sandwiched between a resistance level and a support level. What do we call that? Who knows? What name do you call that when you have a currency or an instrument that is sandwiched in between support and resistance? We said it's trading in a what? Anybody? Trading in a what? Trading in a what? Anybody? When something is confined in a narrow something, it's trading in a what? Tell me if you know. Okay, tell me if you know what. Hey, Shuki. All right. Okay. Kafka, General Kafka. Have you just signed up? Okay, good. Just go to General Kafka, join the group. Just go to okay, Discord group. Okay, Kafka. All right, I've got you there. Okay, actually, Demi is going to help you. Demi will help you out. Okay, Demi is on your case. Oh, sorry. That's not the one. Demi is in your case. I think she's gonna sort you out. Okay, yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shuki, you got it right. That's a range. Okay, Kosi, you got it right. That's a range. Okoli, you got it right. That's a range. So when an instrument is sandwiched between a resistance and a support, we say that currency or that instrument is in a range. Okay, SBS doesn't like range. SBS is a trend trading strategy. SBS wants to run very, very far. It wants to go to TP1, TP2, TP3, 4, 5, 6. If you give him the chance, SBS wants to give you TP10. It wants to hit TP as many as it can. That is what SBS is all about. So when you hear range and you are an SBS person, run away because it doesn't like range. So now that you see we are sandwiched in between these two, especially when it's very, very close to our price, just know that that is not the time to do SBS, because you might take a buy here, it hit this resistance level, it come back. You take another sell here, it hits the support level, it bounce back. So you don't want that at all. You want something that is clean. Let's see whether we have a clean slate. Let's see this one here. Yes. So now, which will be your preference? Buy or sell? Which one will give you more TPs? Where do you think SBS will prosper more? On a buy side, on a sell side? You can see how many support level that are there on the sell side. Even if you break this one, you got this one to contend with. Let me delete this this line that I manually drawn. Okay, all right. Yes. Shuki, you want to go on the buy side. You want to go on the buy side. The reason why you want to go on the buy side, look at all this this support level waiting for you. Sir, is the sell or buy entry at the open or close? Is it at the close of the candle? It's at the close of the candle. Or did I put it at the top of the? Okay, that must be. Do you remember the currency pair we were dealing with? Can I remember that now? I don't mind to go back there. Not this one. I can't remember that candle. That currency pair. Which one was it? Okay, if you can't find it, we'll move on. We'll move on. Yeah, but definitely it is. It must be at the close of the candle. So if I put it at the beginning of the candle, that must be a mistake. So it must be at the close of the candle. If I remember, we have done this more than 100 times. It's always at the close of the candle. All right, thank you for bringing that out. Okay, so question is, yes, new strategy. Well, no, it's not a new strategy. This is how to filter out bad signal from SBS. Okay, but if you are in the Discord group, right, we are going to discuss this another time in Discord group in a live session, and I'm going to show you how you can actually trade using this this support and resistance. Yeah, how you can trade it without even using SBS at all. Okay, this is called price action trading. You know, price action is when you don't use an indicator. This support and resistance, you just call it indicator, but actually there are lines that you can draw manually yourself. But the reason why we use it is because it can help us to look. All these lines we are looking at, they are the support line from a higher time frame, from 1 hour. If you've done it manually, it will take you time, and each time you change your currency pair, you have to draw it again and again. But this one is already drawing it for you. Okay, so that's right, ladies and gentlemen. You said the right answer. Is a long position is a better one for this pair right now, because you have room to move before you hit a brick wall. However, oh my goodness, look at the support levels lined up against you. I wonder why Let me see. I wonder why they haven't broken it. Look, I wonder why it's so straight. Why is it so straight all this while? Ladies and gentlemen, why? Look, I'm going back. Look how long this thing has been going on for. Like how long it's been going on for. See how long it's been going for. They can't break it. They couldn't break it. So what give you the, I'm talking of days here, right? Days. This is already July the 9th. Okay, so the support level actually started July the 9th. And today is July the 23rd. They haven't broken it yet. So you know that you have a long way to go, thinking that, oh yeah, I'm just going to pile through this very quickly. I'm just going to run through it quickly. I'm just going to sell. When I sell, it's going to break the one, it's going to break the second one, it's going to break the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one, and off I go. That is going to be naive. That is called naive, because you don't know what you are going against. You are going against all serious brick walls there. Okay, so it's a brick wall, and if that brick wall still exists, you got to be careful. All right. What is $200? What is no. What do you mean $200? Explain so that I can put you through. Okay, Dele, what do you mean $200? I will explain to you. Okay, so I said to you that if you use this code, all right, first of all, if that is what you are saying, if I get you right, first of all, you go to this website. Those people that have registered, I'm sure they know what they've done. You go to this website, okay? You have 3 packages there. You can pick any package you please, but if you want to use this code tonight, this code will give you 80% discount on the silver package. 80% discount. You will not believe what you are going to see when you get there. But go there first and put this code at checkout. Put this code at checkout. See what you see, what you will find, and come back to me and say, "Oh, this is not what you are looking for." Go and check it out first. Okay. So shall we do our last one for tonight? Let's go to, which one do you want to see before we go? Do you want to see indices or anything before we go? Do you want to see indices? Okay, Demi is going to add you. Yes, Akintunde has joined, and Demi will assist you in doing that. So Demi will add you to reach. Okay. So which one do you want to see, ladies and gentlemen? Do you want to see indices, or you want to see what do you want to see? Or you want to see a currency pair again? And we do the last one before we close. Okay, US 30. All right, Bemi Solar. All right, good. I think there's a consensus there. Okay, there's a consensus there. You want to see US 30. So let me go to US 30. US 30. Here we go. US 30. Goodness me. This is lovely. Right. Hey, before I say anything, did you notice anything here? Did you notice what is going on 5 minutes? Do you know how much respect it pays to this resistance line coming from somewhere? It's been coming from behind. Yeah, it's been coming from somewhere. Look how accurate it is. Can you imagine if you have this knowledge before? If you have this understanding that price is going to hit here and go backwards. Would that not be amazing? Would that not be amazing? You know that we have uptrend. This is the whole day, right? Actually, this is yesterday. And we have uptrend since yesterday. It's been uptrend. This is American session. We close, we go to Asian session, we are still in uptrend, and we go to Europe, and suddenly we hit this rock. We hit this rock and we started falling seriously down. Man, if you know that beforehand, by now you know what you are going to be. You're going to be counting pips. You'll be counting round about 560 pips if you have that information. But is it a difficult information to know? No, it's not. The information is there already. That is it. Information is there already, and this is not a new thing that is drawn, because it's already a resistance line. It's already drawn before we got here. It's already showing. Just like this is already showing. You can see this support. It's already drawn here. Even though we haven't reached there yet, the line is already there. The zone is already there. So I'm wondering what will happen when we get here. Will you be surprised when we suddenly get to this line here, this zone, and the price started going back up? Oh, why is it going that way? Why is it doing that? No, the reason it's doing that is because we are hitting a support level. And you can see, look how many pips we rose from the low here up to the high there. We rose 710 pips up. And then suddenly somebody somewhere, some cool people, some people that knows what they are doing, they are already watching that level. Okay, they're already watching that level because they know a lower time frame will respect a higher time frame support and resistance level. So they already know that we are likely going to respect this level. So what they are doing is they pile up a sell order, heavy sell order here. They let all you guys do whatever you are doing, and they are waiting for you here. You know, for price to react so suddenly and go downward, it means there's a huge sellers demand. Yeah, sellers sell orders here, big ones that has overpowered this move. Remember that this is also a big move. It's a powerful move, and suddenly we reversed at here. So think about it. Let's say here we are riding over 1 million. This is US. Okay, let's say we are riding on 1 million US buy orders here. So in total orders, US is 1 million US order. I'm just, for example, 1 million US orders. We are rising here. Buy orders. Buy. Everybody is piling up. Buy. I will pile up to 1 million. And suddenly somebody who knows about this level already, I say, okay, I know what you guys are doing. You are coming up. Okay, I'm waiting for you with my $300 million sell order, and it's waiting here at this point. So all these guys coming with 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 10 million. When they got here and they meet this $300 million US dollar order, what happened? They met away fast. They will melt away so quick that the price is going to drop like a pack of cards, because this guy is superior. Because market is all about demand and supply. When the demand overpower supply, price goes up. When supply overpower demand, price goes down. So at this point, the supply, they have overpowered the demand. So we are looking at assuming 300 million US dollar versus 30 million US dollars. Which one will win? 300, of course. And that's why it doesn't matter how many times they've been coming up, but because the order piled up here by institutional traders who are already watching these levels, they know they are waiting there. So unfortunately, they couldn't get to that point at this first move. They couldn't get there. So you know that means the reverse is not that great. But this second time they got there, and they were able to put in their orders. The 300 million order went in here, and boy oh boy, we have a big sell-off. Don't be surprised, this is not the end of it. You might see a full-blown reversal where you're going to hit your support level here. But what happened on this level may also repeat itself here. So in trading, generally, there's nothing new. Everything has happened before. It's a repetition in a different way. It's not exactly as the same as the last time. It might be a bit different, but we have seen something like that before. Okay, so now this is the support and resistance level that is being drawn for you automatically, I will suggest learn how to draw it manually, but when you are trading, use this indicator to draw it. Okay, or you can download any support and resistance level indicator to draw it, because it makes your life easy. You don't have to be thinking, oh, should I put it here, should I draw it there, should I draw it there. It will draw it in a appropriate place for you. See, so even if you zoom, and you want to see more of it, you can see that if you break this, yeah, you see how, though there's quite a bit of distance before you get here, yeah, but for now, if you are SBS person, be looking to go long. If you get a sell order at this point, you decline it for now. Say, look, I'm declining my sell because we are too close to this support line, because what happened here can also repeat itself again. So except we have quite a lot of room before we get there. So let me see if we have a lot of room to get there. Let's see how many pips we got. Let's see how many pips we got to get to the support line. If there's a lot, let's say we get a signal from that point, and there's still good number of pips. This is 226 pips. How many? Yeah, 226 pips. And to the top, that's 454 pips. Oh yeah. So your preference should be going long. But if there is enough pip here to make your TP1, which looks like yes, there is enough pips here to make, you can see your box size here is small. That's your box size. So it looks like we can make 1 box size, 2 box size, 3 box size and more. So assuming you got a signal here, you can still make your TP1, 2, 3. So this will be okay, and that will very much okay. All right. How do you set the support and resistance? Is it automatic as SBS member and Discord member? Yes. So as a Discord member, it's automatic. So once you get back to Discord group, I think I showed you before. When you get back to Discord group, go to this channel. We call it Best Indicators. Inside the Best Indicators channel, you download this support resistance MQ4, and that's it, and just put it on your chart. There are other indicators as well. We have another support and resistance, but I think this one is much better. This also is a nice one. I've used it. It's very good. Super trend, the super trend indicator, that's also very good. People ask for such indicators, and more powerful indicators will be coming to this place very soon. Okay, so if you are a Discord member, yes, you can just download it and use it. How can I learn how the software draws decide the support and resistance zone? Okay. All right. How can I get the automatic version? Yeah, this is the automatic version. It draws it for you. It's in Discord group. Okay. Few people have joined Discord group tonight, so just if you want to join the Discord group, I think it's very easy. Are you in Discord group, Oku? If you are there, just log in, just go back to your Discord group and then just download it. It's there already. So if you are there, it's easy to download. France, no, we only have it for MT4 for now. Okay, it's MT4, but I could try and see if I can get one for MT5. I will look. But the thing is, I will not be exactly as this. This one, I really like this one. Okay. Yeah, so Koli, yes, you can get it. It's automatic. Just go into your Discord panel and download it. Okay, so Kafka. Okay, you are saying how can I learn how the software decide the support and resistance zone? Okay, so let's do something now. Let's quickly do the last exercise. I told you guys I'm in the mood tonight. Otherwise, by now I should have. All right, let's start. Let's pick anything. Let's pick this one. Okay. Oh, sorry. I need to do chart, not tick chart. Yeah. So I like to have a clean chart. I don't want to grid. Okay. So this is a 1 hour chart, right? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, even if you are not a chartist, that is, you don't really do much about charting, but you have a chart here now, which is, there's nothing on it. It's a blank chart. Okay, the question is, where are my support and resistance? So let's do it manually. Oh, Kevin. Oh, you came manually. Oh, sorry, you came late. Don't worry. Okay, to become a Discord member, okay, it's very easy. All you got to do is register. I'm sending you the link to register. Go here, register, and when you register, make sure you pick because I'm giving you a code here. When you click it, select the silver package and use this code. This code will give you nearly 80% of the price, 80% discount. What is going to be left, you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised that it might not be enough to even buy you a burger. All right. Okay. So now I want to do it manually. Yes, because you see we have done it automatically here, but I want to do it manually. All right. So here is automatic, but here let's do it manually. All right. So what we're gonna do is we find level of support. Okay. So we're gonna do like this. Yes. So let's do it like this first. Can you see that resistance level is very important? So let's draw a line. So let me make this one because it's resistance. Let's just call it red. Red. Resistance is always red. All right. So that is resistance. Can you see how it's respecting it now? That resistance has been there. Everybody knows about it before now, and it got here and is well respected. Okay. All right. So let me zoom in so that we can look at more resistance or support levels. Okay. Right. Let me zoom in a little bit more. Okay. All right. So you can see this level here. That's the resistance level. You can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8, 9. You can see that level. So let me put a line there. Okay. Okay. So you can see that that line. You see, another good point about the indicator is that resistance are not line, they are zone. That's why when you see the indicator, it doesn't draw line, it draws zone, area. But when you do it manually, you are forced to do is, in fact, maybe we can do ourselves. We can do a zone ourselves. Let's say we want to do a zone. Okay, so we say, okay, it's a zone. It's a zone. That's our zone there, and that's also a zone. But don't worry, I won't change the color this time. Let's just leave it that color. Don't waste time with the colors. Let's get understanding first before thinking about colors. So this is another zone there. That's the support. That's the resistance zone. That's one zone. Can you see another zone, ladies and gentlemen? Shape. I can see another zone here, right? I can see another zone there. Okay. Let's see. Is there any other zone that you can see? There's another zone here. Let me make sure. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. So you see there's a massive support zone here. Okay. That's a massive support zone. Insert shape, rectangle shape. So there's a massive support zone here, which you have to take to this line here. Okay. Okay. All right. So that's another one. I'm supposed to draw it to that point. Okay. Okay. All right. Anyway. So you got that zone. You got this one. You got that one. You got that one. Any other one? Okay. So there will be many of them. This is another one which you can take to the end of it. Okay. All right. Let's do that. Let's do that. Insert shape, rectangle. This is another one here. This one was supposed to come down a little bit. Okay, you get the idea. Another one, insert shape rectangle. This is another one here. Yes, that's another one there. Let's do one more before we then see what happened. So insert shape rectangle. This another one here. And last one, insert shape rectangle. This another one. Okay, so these are from 1 hour. These are all support lines, and that is a resistance. That's a resistance. Okay, and that's it. So this is how to do it manually. Okay, now if we do it automatically, let's do the same thing. I'm going to do Australian, Japan, and I am going to remove the grid, and I'm going to add the indicator. Insert indicator, support and resistance. And because we are in a 1 hour chart, let's leave it at 1 hour chart. Let's see what it can do for us. Okay, now let's see. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, let's see. So what he has drawn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 support level. And let's see what we find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we might to get one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 support level, and we got 1, 2 resistances, 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we not close enough? Are we not close enough? Yeah. Are we not close enough? We are close enough, right? So you can do that manually, or you just let the indicator do it for you. So you can do it manually, or you let the indicator do it for you. It's up to you. So the indicator can do a good job as well as you can do the manual one. Okay. All right. So thank you so much. Any more questions before we round up tonight? We have spent nearly 2 hours, if not more. But I enjoyed every bit of it. No, we actually started at 9:30, and this is 12:15 to 12. All right, that's over 2 hours. Excellent. I hope you all gained something tonight. That is what we do all the time in our Discord group. That is what we do. We train people and we give them the tools to use. And not only that, you are going to learn how to use it. You will see thousands of people using the same strategy. I'll show you our Discord group, our Telegram group already. We have over 1,000 people already now. When we started, we were 1,222. 4 more people have joined. It's now 1,226. Okay, so you have a family here who are going to help you. They will hold your hand. Ask any question, people will answer you. And also, you have another family here. That the Discord is a smaller family, which smaller means it's not like it's quite a lot of people there. But this one is closer family. The other one also is a big family, which you are welcome. You will feel at home there. You can chart your own, your own path there. You can become a champion if you want to help. Yes, you are welcome to help. If you want to produce a signal, you are welcome. If you want to receive signal, here we give signal here. We give signal in the Discord, and we have a lot of people also in the Telegram group that also provide signal. Okay, so whatever that you are looking for, we are here to help. Just let us know whatever you are looking for. Give us a shout. If you are looking for indicator, but if you really don't want to join any of the group, that's fine. The YouTube channel is loads of information on our YouTube channel. Just go there, learn as much as you can. Oh, George, yes, you come back. George, today's your first time. Yeah, I remember. Today's your first time. Okay, yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you. Thank you for joining tonight. All right, so I want, because most of you are, some people are new here today. I want you to tell me in your language what is thank you and good night. Those two words, thank you, good night. Tell me what is it in your language, because I want to greet you in that language. I want to greet you in that language. Okay? I want to greet you in that language before I go tonight. So tell me what is good night and thank you in your language. I know some few languages already. Don't be surprised if I call your language. Yes. All right. Yes. I know it's your first time. I have a good memory to remember things, very short things like that, you know. Okay, I know that already, Bimisola. I know that. Oh, Demi, I know that already. Don't worry, you are covered. I'm looking for new ones. Emailer, yes. I know about that already, but I'm still going to take the mailer because I know about the kachifo. Okay, yeah. Okay, yes, I like that. Shuki, I like your own. Shuki, yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Waiting for more. Okay. Oh, all right. Oh, waxing. What is Brazil? What is it in Brazil? Tell me in Brazil. I want to know in Brazil. That would be Portuguese, isn't it? Or Spanish? Which one? Okay, Adebayo, I got you. Okay, yes, I got you. George, I got you there. Okay, I got you there. Timotheus, I got you. All right, now we are ready to say good night to everybody. So thank you so much, everybody. Terima kasih, Eyalama, Spasiba, Siabonga, Bonanote, Ndewo, Nidi Meba, Kashifo, Odaro, Ndewo, Guy Lois, Ninale Kale, Toshi Alakaya, Etale Kale, Shokran, Mamon, Grazia, Eyalama Nowe, Yulele Kale, Kenya Lahoma, Lala Salama, Enoti Zero, Shukiria Ashabi Bakea, Goid Nach, Mgad Gabi Sekpo, Shukiria and Sharp Bakea, Danki Show, Slap Leka, Miriag Shalamat, Talago, Donkwell Eshlapska, Ahaha, Dalu, Eyitso, Emela, Black Drag, Lekanosh, Boninot, Et Messi, Dapula, Oshi, Wambo, Shona, Mae, Hasha. From Canada, good night, Ireo. Good night, everybody. Thank you so much for joining tonight. I hope very soon we'll come out again and do this. Thank you so much. Good night, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Have a wonderful